Hello, welcome to the channel. We have another breakdown. Leaked oil. Good thing I was at my sister-in-law's house when I was pulling out. I lost the brakes, lost the power steering. So the hose, these two hoses right here, the top one goes out, it goes down to, and it should be sitting next to this one, and it sits right here, right above the steering column. It's hard to see, it's right there, this one right here, and it's got the wobble there for steering, and ate it through. So it was last night, it was too dark, it was too cold. Now this morning, so I'm going to get the hose and I'll show you how to replace. So I'm underneath, under the pump is that nut, bolt with a 17 millimeter, and it's not enough room to unbolt it, so it's gonna be a little fight. Is that one right there. So it's a matter of taking it off. Don't have a game plan yet, but I'm working on it. This is gonna be the only one way is to put it like that. Try to unbolt it. So, working on it. So the back side is 19. You just hold it, and I couldn't find for myself the it should be 18 on this side, so I use this kind of wrench. So I already break the loose. So this is kind of weird tool, but worked like a dream. So I got it off. Now it would be a matter of removing the hose from this place and put it back on. You just put the wrench and kind of ways and bolt it back up, that hose up there. So reinstalled, you just have to play with the wrench, but check this out. See that plug is for the engine computer. See where this supposed to, the hose goes to? They were changing the engine computer on it. They banded that hose back for access, and they never put it back. That's what happened. And I'll show you the hose, how it got destroyed so bad. So it's all back up. Hose about 200 something, 260 or something dollars, or 200 something dollars. My wife one got it for me. So that's a problem when you let somebody to work on your vehicle. But I didn't have a choice to work on it because they said the computer was bad, and wasn't. So right here, that's where that wobble of the steering column rod, or whatever you want to call it, it was rubbing against that. Look at that. And it's got these two metal hoses, metal clamps, I guess, for them, so it doesn't expand, maybe. So look at that, how he ate it through. This is disturbing, big time. So when we go under the hood, you see, you don't see it. See, that's the it's kind of hard to see, but it's right there, the wobble right there. Kind of hard to see, huh? But see where the hose is now? It's next to the runs to the side, comes back up here. Nice. That's where it's supposed to be. And disturbing big time. So it's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's gonna be another video coming out of me changing the water pump and the belt. All right, thank you for watching. I would like to get more videos out more, but that'd be nice. But you can see how they mess it up for me, and it's disturbing, big time disturbing how they fix stuff.